The new A.R.A. Alkaline Max water repair device by E-Energy from NipponFlex has arrived. Developed to be used in natural or cold water coolers. Beauty in every curve, in every detail, designed with innovative styling. The A.R.A. Alkaline Max is here to revolutionize the global water market. Water is the most consumed product on the planet, worldwide. 8 billion people drink water every day. 70% of our bodies is water, and 83% of our blood composition is water. It is the essence of life. However, access to clean and safe water is a luxury that many still do not have. 70% of our planet is water, of which only 2.8% is freshwater, and only 0.03% is drinkable water. In cities, water for consumption is typically divided into three common forms: tap water, well water, and bottled water. Due to pollution in various contaminants, like waste, sewage, pesticides, and heavy metals, before water reaches our homes, it goes through treatment stations where various chemicals are added, including chlorine, which is used to eliminate viruses and bacteria. However, excessive chlorine can have harmful effects, affecting our bodies and potentially causing various health problems. Even people who drink well water may be consuming water contaminated with viruses and bacteria. Bottled mineral water reuses packaging up to 150 times, which can also be contaminated by viruses and bacteria. The plastic composition of these containers usually contains bisphenol, a highly harmful element to health. All components of the A.R.A. Alkaline Max are produced with bisphenol-free raw materials, 100% BPA-free. With the option of installation in the plumbing system, it automatically supplies without the need for refilling. The A.R.A. Alkaline Max contains two powerful cartridges with 5 layers tested in laboratories accredited by A.R.A. It has surprised with its efficiency in free chlorine retention, particle retention efficiency, placing it among the top-rated products on the market. The cartridges of the A.R.A. Alkaline Max device contain activated carbon with colloidal silver for bacteriological action, eliminating viruses and bacteria with an efficiency of over 99%. The fourth and fifth layers consist of alkaline pH spheres and minerals that increase the pH, transforming neutral water into alkaline water. In addition to all this, under the Alkaline Max cartridges, 2 exclusive NipponFlex discs have been placed, with 2 supermagnets emitting 3,400 Gauss each, organizing water molecules, turning it into much lighter water. 20 ion ball spheres, produced with rare minerals emitting negative ions, increase the oxygen content in the water, making it much easier to be absorbed by the body, and raising body pH. From birth to youth, our body's water has an alkaline pH. As we age, the body's pH becomes acidic. Drinking water with ion balls helps increase body pH. It's like drinking water from the fountain of youth. A.R.A. Alkaline Max Water Repair Device. Maximum efficiency in a single product.